In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch add copyright information and keywords using Adobe Bridge. If you're a photographer, designer, or someone who works with a large volume of images, you probably know how important it is to keep your files organized and protected. Adding metadata, such as copyright details and keywords, helps you manage and safeguard your digital assets efficiently. This is where Adobe Bridge comes in handy. First things first, open Adobe Bridge and navigate to the folder where your files are stored. You'll want to select all the files you wish to tag, which you can do quickly by pressing Ctrl-A on a Windows computer or CMD-A on a Mac. Alternatively, if you prefer using your mouse, you can simply click and drag to select multiple files at once. This step is essential because it ensures that you're editing all the files in one go, saving you time and effort. Now that you have your files selected, head over to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click on File and then choose File Info. Doing this will open up the File Info dialog box. This powerful tool in Bridge allows you to edit metadata for multiple files simultaneously, a feature that can significantly streamline your workflow. Inside the File Info dialog, you'll find multiple tabs, but for now, let's focus on the Description tab. This is where you'll typically find the Keywords field. Keywords are crucial for searchability and organization, especially if you manage a large image library. Simply type in your desired keywords and remember to separate them with commas or semicolons. This creates a list that makes it easier to locate these files later based on those search terms. While you're still in the File Info dialog, it's time to input the copyright information, which is vital for protecting your work. Find the fields dedicated to copyright details. Start by setting the copyright status to copyrighted. Then, you'll need to enter the copyright owner, which could be your name or your organization's name. Follow this with the copyright notice, ensuring it contains any legal information you wish to include. You also have the option to add a URL that could direct viewers to your portfolio or legal terms. It's entirely up to you. Once you've entered all this information, click OK or Apply at the bottom of the dialog box. This action will write all the metadata values you've entered into every file you've selected. It's important to note that whatever values you enter here will override any existing data in those fields, so be confident of your entries. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to batch adjust copyrights and keywords in Adobe Bridge. This method not only improves your workflow, but also ensures your work is properly attributed and easy to find. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.